This illustration deals with other equipment. NEC 680.22E is an ED. Now notice the purpose of change was to provide a new subsection. And this new subsection has been added to clarify that other equipment than traditionally electrical pumps and controllers are now being installed in pump rooms. This might include equipment related to a PV power generation or energy management type equipment. This section, therefore, is being expanded to specify how close to the pool this equipment may be installed. So let's review. To the right of the pool, and you have a solid fence, wall, or barrier there. Notice we have a PV system, and that PV system could be supply low voltage equipment, is identified in 680.22E. It could also supply limited energy power that's considered low voltage. But the main thing to point out here is we have a PV system feeding such equipment. And then to separate it from the pool, we wouldn't necessarily have to provide the 5-foot rule. Then we have a wall there. That's a solid fence, wall, or other barrier that allows the low voltage system to be closer to the pool. Per 680.22E, and you know that's identified in the arrow pointed to the earth area or the deck area around the pool, as you see there. And it states other low voltage equipment shall be at least 5 feet from the pool, except as permitted in 680.22E, and that's where we provide this solid fence, wall, or other barrier there. And then they're saying, if present, wet niche in pools or spas should be capable of being drained as required in 680.23B as in boy 6. Now, this is a in-ground swimming pool as defined in Article 680. And the notes now that we review, let's look at Note 1, and it talks about pools that are emerged. And these type pools are defined in 680.2. For a splash pool in Note 2, they're defined in 680.2 and have requirements for these splash pools in 680.50. Now, this kind of gives you as much information as possible in relationship to this new subsection 680.22E.